Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to unbox this style from Noriko. This is Meadow and it is in the color Silverstone. Now I know Meadow has been a very popular wig for Noriko. I bought this one. I purchased it with my own funds from wigstudio1.com. So I wanted to take a few minutes and just unbox this really quickly for you and take a quick look at Meadow. Alright. Let's see. Okay, it's definitely a salt and pepper. It is in a hairnet. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing my Noriko Emery and Moonstone. There's a review on my channel already on this. I'll link it below if you want to see the full review. Okay, let's see about Meadow. Take off this hairnet. It has packaging in it. Most of these Noriko wigs have this packaging like that. Okay, wow, beautiful. Now this is a color, I can tell it's lighter in the front and then it transitions and gets darker toward the nape on this Silverstone. Let's look at the inside of this cap. Now this is a basic cap. There's going to be permatease here. Basic cap design. Now it has, look at these ear stays. They are closed, but there is like a netting over them instead of the felt like normal. They have stays. It's open wefted. There are pull adjusters. It is a non-extended felt nape. Lots of stretch here. Okay, and again, just a basic cap. Now, yeah, let's look at Silverstone. Now, I'm going to tell you what the manufacturer says about this. Blended gray shades, darker at the nape, begins to get a little more gray as we go towards the front, and then it has silver bangs, and that is exactly what's going on with the color here. Wow, this is gorgeous. Let's try this on. Okay, let's give it a good shake. Okay, first of all, this fits me snug. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this is a snug fit on me. Okay, I'm going to work this part just by running my wide tooth comb down along the cap, just like that, just to loosen those fibers up. I like to do that. I love these silver bangs on this wig. Yeah. Now the fringe of this is 3.9. I would probably trim these a little for me. They're a little long, but they're 3.9. That crown on this one is 5.9, and the nape is 2.4. All right, let's talk about permatease. Yes, everywhere. Permatease through this wig. There are a lot of Noriko wigs that I have that have more permatease than this. As you can see, this is not huge hair, but there definitely is permatease. Of course, this is a basic cap. I'm just going to feel around the nape. There is permatease, but it is not overdone. Now, in my opinion, I like permatease, so that's not a problem. But like I said, there are definitely Noriko wigs that have a lot more permatease than this one does. I'm going to spray it with a little water, just because that's kind of how I always do. I like to separate the fibers, and like I've told you so many times, get your hands into these fibers. Pull them away from this cap. Create some movement. If you will loosen these up, it's going to look so much more natural. You can see already that I'm creating movement. I'm loosening the fibers away from that cap. That is so, so important, in my opinion. I'm just going to see about different styling on here just for a second. I just want to see how can we style this wig. Now it's a basic cap, so we're not going to have parting options and all that, but I'm just going to sweep it over to the side a little bit. We can do that. Always things we can do, even with basic cap wigs. Let's see. Of course, I'm going to put a headband on with it. You can tuck it behind your ears. Now I would just pull this if I want to just put a little clip in it. Just pull away from the bangs. You see where the bangs start? Just pull back a little and you could clip that back. Leave your bangs down. Like I said, I would probably trim these a little for me. This has been such a popular style and I can see why. This is very, very wearable. Another headband. I like to just pull my hair back behind my ears when I wear a headband with the wig. And that works really well. Alright, now like I said, this fit me snug. Now, there's the coverage. You can see my bow hair here. Now, you don't have to cover that. You could use some shading powder if you wanted to and cover your bow hair, but I do not see the need in that with this because you have all this coming forward. You have this bang, everything coverage here, and it fits right above my ear tab. Right above my ear. The ear tab fits right there. So I don't see any reason that you would want to or need to use any shading powder here. You're not going to be wearing this off your face due to it's just a basic cap. Well, isn't this color, like I said, I like the silver bangs and I like that the color is more gradient. It's a little darker in the back. Now my face is 9 inches from hairline to chin. Just want you to see how these all come down. This is so pretty. Again, 3.9 inch fringe, crown 5.9, nape 2.4. Now, pretty. Let's take a look at this in some different lighting. Okay, that is a look at Noriko MEADOW in the color Silverstone. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I upload a couple times a week, so please subscribe to my channel. And I hope you'll have a look at this. Go over to wigstudio1.com and have a look at Noriko MEADOW. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time.